Hi there, it's me, Caitlin, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make scrambled onion fry with a delicious spicy touch to it. So just to let you know, if you hate onions and you don't prefer them in anything, you don't have to use onions, you can take them out. But I and my family really like onions, so we're going to add those in. And by the way, if you're wondering, I only like onions like in a few things, not like everything. But anyways, we need a kitchen to cook all of this deliciousness up. So I'm gonna teleport there in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! Do not try that at home. Do not teleport anywhere around your kitchen, house, or room. Okay, but anyways, let's check if the ingredients are. Let's look. Okay, so firstly we have some turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, some spicy chili powder, some sugar, just to make it taste a little nice, some egg of course. We only had a few eggs, so we just used one. You can use as many as you want. And we have some beautiful chopped onions. By the way, if you want to know, if you don't want onions, you just move them to the side, or you can just keep them as a family. But anyways, let me show you what's here. We have a big pan, some oil, some pepper, and some mixing tools. So let's get cooking. Guys, I forgot to tell you the most important safety rule of everything when you start cooking or baking. Make sure your parents are next to you and with you while you're doing this. So if in case the oil bursts on you or you don't want to get hurt, and also when you're cutting your onions, make sure you get a good knife and also your parents with you and helping you cutting them. By the way, let's put in the ingredients firstly, so come in. So firstly I'm going to add some oil. I actually put some oil to just test in case it popped. I'm just going to add some oil in. You can see it's definitely not popping. Also, just to let you know, do not put your flame on high or leave your pan there for a very long time, because it can actually make, when you suddenly put the oil and the pan's very hot, it can actually pop from its reaction. So make sure you don't do that. So I'm gonna add the onions now. I'm actually really scared. I don't like adding onions in because sometimes they pop. So I'm just gonna and so as you can see, they pop a little bit. I'm just gonna add all we have right now. So now I'm gonna mix that in. Mix it until it's completely golden brown. And since that would take a long time, I'm just gonna tell you an easy way with a magic trick. Boobity boobity boo! Whoa, it actually works! My magic trick works! And look, it's now nice and golden brown, and I really like it. It smells pretty nice, but not the best. But now we're gonna add some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very nice, and it makes, so it has like lots of, it's kind of like healthy. You can drink it in water, and yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna mix this turmeric powder into this goldenish brown onions. And next I'm going to add the amazing egg. So let's add it in. Okay. Oh, there's some in there. I'll get that out later. But let's mix it in. Whoa. I'm just going to hold the side. Close up. Oh my god, it looks so nice. Oh, look, I trust everyone that this is going to look super good at the end. I'm going to mix this up. Oh my goodness, this looks so nice. So as you can see, it looks nice golden brown. If you're wondering why am I pretty black, they actually make it very nice and sweet and yummy. But you make sure you don't get it burnt. So now we're gonna add the coriander powder. If you do not know what the coriander powder is, you can check out my chicken curry video and I told you more. But if you didn't watch that and you are bored and lazy, I don't mean everyone, but only a few people, I'll tell you what this is. Coriander powder gives a nice strong flavor. It kind of gets you, and it's very nice, and it also makes a lot of gravy in your food. So let me add it in. I like a lot of coriander powder, so I'm gonna mix this fast before it burns because I don't want black food. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I think that's good. And I'm just gonna mix that in. So I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, some sugar. Oh, it's not coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this and be back. So as you can see, I've been mixing this for some time, and now it's time to add my favorite part, chili powder. It's my favorite, so I'm gonna add it in nicely. If yours is about to burn like mine, you can just turn your stove off so it kind of goes slowly. And also, I would love to see all your pictures of all your delicious onion or just plain scrambled onion fries or just scrambled eggs with nice chili and spices. And you can just share a picture, and yeah, I would be really happy. Oh my god, I forgot about you guys. I'm so sorry. But anyways, I have finished my beautiful eggy and yummy onionness, and now I'm putting it in a plate to try. I'm gonna guys tell you a secret. I like some things that are burnt, not everything, but I'm okay with eating them, so I'm pretty sure I'm okay with eating this. And it doesn't look too burnt, so I'm really excited to try it. Let me get everything. Oh my goodness. That is so good. I have to have more. Oh my goodness. It is the best. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with everyone, and hopefully they make this deliciousness